Welcome all, my dear students. In today's class, I am going to discuss with you chess player written by Munshi Premchand. In today's third scene, today we are going to discuss it. In a previous two scenes, Mir Sahib and Mirza both are very good chess players. They never think about the Lucknow city actions. Just they are only concerned their games. In a both us family have disturbed the game, so their game is now shifted in the Gomati river, the bank of Gomati. They both are searching the wanted searching the good place in a near of the bank of Gomati. One of the mosque is there. Mosque means masjid ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. That was built by Asaf Ud Asafuddin. That was not a good building. It is a ancient building. On the way, on the going to the bank of Gomati, they are purchasing some of the things like tobacco and chilama and the wine for their entertainment purpose. They both are spread their mats in the mosque. They are started to the playing. Before they are started to the playing, they burned the light because they require the lamp. Then they started the game. In the both of us mouth, only two words are spell out. That are one is check and another means checkmate. They never tell any other words. They are only concept their games. Even the Premchand is given the one of the example. Yogi is how concentrate on the they are practicing the yoga. Yogi is only chanted the God hams. He never spell the any other words. So here the two yogis are there. Mir Sadiq and Mirza Sajjad Ali. They are only chanting the two words that are only the chess and the checkmate. So how they are only when the afternoon afternoons happen, they wanted to the hungry. They are searching the food in a near of the one of the hotel small hut is there. They go and have some of the eat something. Then the smoke the hukum. Hukum means visible in the screen. Both are smoke the hukum. Then they come back to the play. Then again they are started to the game. Means the whole day they are only the spending the playing the chess. But in a Lucknow situation is very different. British people are wanted to capture the Lucknow city because Lucknow is a city of that Awadh kingdom. Awadh kingdom is every day, every year paying the some of the black money to British people. One of the richest kingdom of the Awadh kingdom. Every year king has given black money to British. British are now very tasty of that because good wealth in the our city. When we acquire the Lucknow, we can easily win the Awadh kingdom. So the thought of that British March, British armies entered to the Lucknow city. Then no one are shouted, no one are talking, why the British people are entered to the Lucknow. Just they are entered to the British army is entered to the Lucknow city. But here of the two persons, Mir Sahib and Mirza Sajid Ali, they are every year taking a benefit 1,000 rupees for they both are Jagirdars for their expenditure. They are our Nawab is given paying to the 1,000 rupees, but it was not a return to the king. This they are for the expenditure purpose. Nawab is paying to this money, but they are not a expenditure anything. Just both us entertainment with each other. They never think of the what is going on there, what is going on the Lucknow city. Just they are playing the busy in the playing the chess. For one day, both us are playing the chess. Uh, British companies passing on the way. Both us, both are saw that scene. Mir Sahib Ali is little bit difficult or hasted that English armies attack on the Lucknow city. God, you only save the Lucknow city. Here the Botars are Jagirdars are playing the game. Their responsibility to save the Lucknow, but is try to escape from the shifted their responsibility to the God. How foolish persons are there. At that time, Mirza was calling that, let it, leave that all that. For check is for yours, so save your king. Then you are save the your kingdom. So why is Hari is there? First you escape the save your king. That are some of the words are told by the Mirza. Janam, why are you hurry? Don't be afraid. Nothing is happened to that. We have one of the king is there, Nawab is there. Shodar Udod Ali. His responsibility is there to save the king. Wajid Ali Shah is save the Lucknow city because here of that telling Mir Sahib is to explain the British army. British armies contain the 5,000 soldiers march on the Lucknow city. So now cannot be done any take a action. How the king situation is very different. He wanted to fight against the British army because good army is they have. So again, city is now the city is very danger zone. So Mir is again giving a check to the Mirza. Now again you save the your king so that they are very busy in the chess. So again the complete of the game, Mirza was wanted to that. Now time is 10 o'clock. We wanted to the Hungary. Where we shall eat? At that time, Mir Sahib is telling that today is Rosa Day. Are you feeling very hungry? Means they all are forget that all the things. Just they are only the playing a chess. Oh, I forgot that. means we are also hungry, but today is Rosa Day means we are the past, so we can unable to do any work. All the peoples are must have eaten and they are sleeping very peaceful. No one are people thinking about the why the British armies entered to the Lucknow city. Nawab also very terrible because what he can possible to done the work on the evening 4 o'clock. Army has returned to the Lucknow city because British armies capture the Nawab without fight, without bloodshed. How it is possible? How it is a very sad moment of the Nawab. He cannot be done any action with a non-violence. He was surrendered to the British army because in past days he didn't take any action against the British army. Now immediately British armies captured the Nawab. So our Nawab is helpless. So automatically he will be surrendered to the British army. At that time, Mirza was saying the some of us words. Look at that how Nawab is looking a very sad mood. At that time, Mirza was telling that words. So now a check is there. So you have saved the your king here. Then you save your Awad Nawab. Then here of that Mir Sahib is telling that wait for some of the mates. I cannot do counter. Mirza was telling that I cannot be concentrated on the game. Here look at that. Our king is surrender that. For a past days he was leading a good luxurious life. Now where he is leading a good life, luxurious life. That was one of the painful situation for the to Awad Nawab. Nawab Awad Nawab. So again that Mir Sahib is given a check to the Mirza. Now the all is over because already Mirza is lost the 3 games. Again he is going to defeat. Means every defeat the game is more painful to hear Mirza Sajjad Ali and their. So nothing cannot done that work of